Can data hygiene be improved? Yes, it absolutely can. It's a constant process, and we and the industry are constantly finding better ways of doing it, basically. Much of data hygiene requires what we call fuzzy matching. So it's not exact matching, it may be matching misspelt versions of the same record to identify it's actually the same record, or multiple variations. With technology such as AI coming along, that's actually making the processes of identifying duplicates, of identifying issues in data much more accurate, and it's just an ongoing cycle. But yeah, absolutely, data can be improved. I think the biggest issue that most organisations face is that it's a really dull and boring job. And whilst everyone wants to do the exciting data work of insight and analytics and profiling and segmentation and all that wonderful kind of stuff, the actual cleaning up of the data, which is the foundation of everything you do, is really quite boring. And so a lot of organisations kind of fail on that point. And that's really where companies like Kudos jump in, because that's what we do. We can provide those services for you.